Alright guys, let us now understand what is the flow of our application. Now as you've already seen what all the features we have developed in an application, now let us see what is going on and how we can develop it and what all navigation that we have used in this application. So the first screen is the Lotify starter screen. So this screen will take all our data from our database and go ahead and add it to a Redux. The next screen will be our home screen. So this is the main place where a user can go to multiple pages from this screen only. As you have already seen, there is a search bar where you can type and select a particular product that you like and go to the product details page. You can also select a particular product from the vertical flat list that is present on the home screen. Now let us see what is our product details screen. So a product details screen contains the details of a particular product. So it has an add to cart button and a buy now button. So add to cart does what it means literally. It will add the particular product to our Redux, that is a cart Redux. But what does a buy now button do? A buy now button will directly take that particular product and take us to the checkout screen. So what does it mean is that it will directly check out that particular product. It will not see what is going on in a cart. It will not add items of a cart. It will directly take you to buy that particular product that you are seeing in the product details screen. For example, I am seeing this particular jacket. I want to buy now and I click on buy now. So it will take me directly to the checkout screen and will ask me to make the payment then. This is how our product details screen will work. You can obviously go ahead and click on our bottom tabs navigation. The bottom tabs navigation is the one that is the main navigation which is connecting all the pages together, right? All the other ones that I just talked about are the stack navigation, but the main is the bottom tabs navigation. From the bottom tabs navigation, you can go to the home screen, the card screen, the chatbot screen, and the profile page. You can go to these 4 pages just by clicking on the bottom tabs navigation. So over here you can see that we can go back and forth from a profile screen to the chatbot screen to the card screen and to the product details screen just by using our bottom tabs navigation. So that is how powerful the bottom tabs navigation is. Now let us go ahead and see the checkout screen. The checkout screen is the only one, and along with the payment screen, that you can't access with the bottom tabs navigation. You can only go to the checkout screen from the product details screen and the cart screen. And the only way you can access the payment screen is once you cross the checkout screen. So this is how the whole navigation of our application is developed. And let us see how we can integrate all of this in a React Native application. Alright guys, now that you've understood how the navigation flow of this application is going to go on, we are going to integrate that into our React Native application. So we are not going to start with the npx React Native init command. I've already created a structure in which our application is going to run. So to begin with that, I will want you to go to my GitHub repository. Over there, click on the boilerplate branch and just follow along the steps that I've mentioned. In this way, you will come to this point where I am right now. So you will have all the libraries, packages, and the code structure that I have created for you guys. So from here, you can start coding with me and you will have no difficulty in that. Also, if you want to understand what all libraries or packages I have used in the application, just go to my PPT that I've also linked in the description below and just follow along with that. Over there, you can also find a link to the flow sketch that we created previously in this video. Alright, now let us start with the coding part.